Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache and junk files from your Windows computer. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, you want to go to the bottom of your computer and go and click on search button and just type in something called run. Now what you need to do is go and type in temp, T-E-M-P like so, and you can go and click OK, and this will load up a lot of temporary files, and all you want to do is go and click off one of them in here and then press Ctrl A, select them all, and we can go and delete them all. Press delete on your keyboard, or alternatively you can right click on it and click on the delete icon as well, and you may need to go and give administrator privileges to do some of them. And if you get a pop-up saying it can't be completed, just press escape, it's fine. Next, once you have cleared that, you want to go and open run again. Come to the bottom and click on search and type in run, or alternatively you can just press the Windows key and R, and this time you need to type in percentage temp percentage again, just like so, and then press OK. And again we have to select all of them and simply tap on delete. So right click, press on the delete button, they will be deleted. Once again, if any can't be completed, just press escape, it's fine. I had to go and skip quite a few, but that's fine. We can then go and close off it, and once again we can go and open up run again, press Windows key and R, and this time you want to type in prefetch, prefetch, prefetch like so. Click OK, click on continue again. Now again press Ctrl A to select all of them and simply tap on delete, and I will need to go and skip these, but that is fine. Now that we have deleted them, you can go and open up your recycle bin and you can then go and empty it just like so, and just like that you have now gone and emptied it. And the final thing you can do is once again press Windows key and R, just go and open up run, but this time you want to type in clean mgr just like so. Go and click OK, and you can then go and choose the drive you want to clean up. Do this for the drive your Windows is installed on. You will see that because it's got like a little window icon on next to it, and then you can press OK, and we can go and start the cleanup. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to clear cache and junk files in Windows PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.